Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by parking level and setting the ignition on so electronics power the top. This prevents motor strain. First, unlatch the front header. Pull the handle while one person holds the fabric to prevent sudden drop. Once done, release the rear deck cover. Remove clips or press the trim tabs carefully, then access the hydraulics or motor housing. Make sure to wear gloves and keep a towel on the rear fender to protect paint. This minimizes scratches and keeps the top aligned. You operate the convertible switch in short bursts. Move the top slowly so fabric feeds evenly into the storage well. This prevents pinching. As the frame folds, guide the header toward the rear, keeping the seams centered in the side rails. Once the top clears the rear, tuck the fabric into the boot pockets while a partner steadies the frame. Make sure to watch the hinge geometry and latches. If the rails bind, stop, back up, and realign before continuing to avoid damage. You finish by engaging the front header latch until you hear a solid click. This confirms the seal and keeps wind noise low. Next, stow the boot cover and close the trunk or deck, then run a complete open/close cycle 2 times to seat the fabric and confirm smooth travel. Make sure to check weather stripping for gaps. Troubleshooting tip: if the top binds or won't latch, inspect hinge bolts, cable tension, and hydraulic fittings. Tighten loose bolts, bleed lines, or replace worn parts as needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.